Today we see the most powerful security cameras. Anpviz 4K PoE dual lens security camera, panoramic 180 to ultra wide angle, IP bullet full metal housing camera with human vehicle detection, starlight sensor, two-way talk, built-in micro SD card slot, high quality imaging with 4K resolution, excellent low light performance with powered by dark fighter technology, one image that presents all the scenes covered by the camera, clear imaging against strong backlight due to 120 dB true WDR technology, focus on human and vehicle targets, classification based on deep learning, active strobe light and audio alarm to warn intruders off, provide real-time security via built-in two-way audio, water and dust resistant. All-metal housing with IP67 weatherproof. With the rugged all-metal housing and body, this security camera can keep guard anywhere, outdoor or indoor, and in any harsh weather conditions. PoE power. By Ethernet. Easy setup and connect and great compatibility with third-party NVR. Connect the PoE surveillance video camera to the NVR with just a single network cable without messy wiring. The video cameras connect to the NVR via their proprietary internet. Get 24/7 non-stop recording even without network access. 120 dB, true WDR DNR image enhancement technologies. The most innovative image enhancement technology. 120 dB true WDR, 3D DNR, ensure the camera captures upscale footages in all challenging light conditions. Latest H.265 Plus video format. The advanced H.265 Plus coding sends smaller file sizes and records for a longer time without losing the image quality, saving up to 75% of storage compared with H.264 coding. You don't need to worry about running out of storage space. Our CCTV cameras feature a simple and convenient plug-and-play PoE, Power over Ethernet setup, allowing for easy installation and configuration. With this feature, you can quickly set up your surveillance system and start monitoring your property with minimal hassle. Built-in SD card slots save motion-triggered videos locally by inserting an up to 256 GB SD card, not included. Never miss any important event. Massively upgraded image presentation, excellent quality video presentation, making sure you get every bit of details. Color View full color image presentation. Color View enables 24-hour monitoring and recording in color without the need for additional lighting, provides clear and vivid color imaging even in low-light conditions. Perimeter detection and alarm camera feature perimeter detection and warning. With smart motion detection technology, any objects entering the preset area will trigger alarm from camera, making surveillance more efficient and precise. AccuSense Human Vehicle Detection. Our camera product features advanced human and vehicle detection capabilities that use AI algorithms to detect and analyze human and vehicle figures captured by the camera. This technology allows the camera to distinguish between human and non-human objects, therefore adjusting its focus angle. This camera has a built-in microphone and speaker, enabling you to easily communicate with family members, pets, co-workers, or even intruders. Built-in microphone. Our CCTV cameras come equipped with built-in two-way audio, enabling you to communicate with people on-site or remotely. This feature provides an added level of security and allows for real-time interactions with individuals in the camera's field of view. More clearer image in darkness with Darkfighter technology. Different from normal IR cameras, Pinduaro 3, Lux f1.6 gives the camera a better ability to collect light. As long as there are weak lights around the camera will give you a colorful night vision effect. Intelligent detection event. Intelligent event detection function with active strobe light and audio alarm to warn intruders off. Advanced security warning to help you reduce the damage caused by intruders. Motion detection 2.0, smart AI human. And vehicle detection and classification, realize targets, classification, custom set, playback analysis. Available NVMS v3. Data retrieval only, bring you accurate information, reduces false positives by up to 99%. Order link in the description.